Now, just to make sure we understand what's going on with these combinations, let's do a generic combination. Let's start out with this one on F, which is, we've got a combination of n on top and n minus 2 on the bottom. So remember what the formula for combination says. It says start with whatever's on the top, the n, and do its factorial first. That means n times what's before it, n minus 1. Then what's before it is an n minus 2, and it will work its way all the way down to 1. And then on the bottom, the first thing that we do on the bottom is we have to do what's on the bottom and its factorial, which is it starts out at 2 less than that, the n minus 2, and will work its all the way down to 2 and down to 1. Then the last part is to do the factorial of the 2 subtracted. Well, if you subtract the n and the n minus 2, if you subtract those two, what will happen is the two n's will cancel out. Be careful, a negative and a negative will actually give you a positive 2 that you're looking at. You'll do the positive 2 factorial. And 2 factorial will give you 2 just 2 times 1. Now, notice, if you look at what's on top and what's on the bottom, the n factorial does eventually get to an n minus 2 and does go all the way to 1. That will cancel out with the n minus 2 all the way out to 1. That was on the bottom from the n minus 2 factorial. So what does that leave you with once you cancel out that n minus 2 factorial all the way down on the bottom and the top? Well, what that leaves you with is an n and an n minus 1 on top. And what else do you have on the bottom? You have that 2 times 1 on the bottom, which is just 2. So the only thing you could do, really, is multiply out that n on top, which gets you, if you multiply out the n squared minus n, and then you have the 2 on the bottom. There's nothing else you can do with that, so you are done. Oh, now